This is process CMT. CMT, or cold metal transfer welding, is a modified MIG welding process based on short-circuiting transfer process, and it was developed by Fronius of Austria in 2004. This specific example is process printing in Tampere University of Technology. You can clearly see a very bright light emitted, and that's about as much as possible with the naked eye. This is what CMT looks like using CAVILUX laser illumination. Each individual droplet can be clearly seen. The flow of gas in all directions is completely visible, and even shock waves are easily identifiable. The eye-candy images produced using the CAVILUX lasers provides the perfect platform for analysis and corrective measures, leading to fewer errors, higher efficiency, and saving of valuable time and, of course, money. For more information, please visit our website cavitar.com.